Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to talk about win a MacBook by building a real mobile apps. And this is a hackathon. To join our hackathon, let's talk about this hackathon and more details way. Okay, so this is a hackathon which is like introduced by the notjust.dev by the Wardim, and this is the hackathon challenge which is starting from the 1st of April to the 30th of April. You can register now by clicking it here. Once you click on register now, you can submit your name and email, and you will get to participate in this hackathon. That's it. Now let's talk about this prize of this hackathon. So first, it's like so the first place winner will be get the MacBook Air M4. Second place winner will be get the React Native Mastery course from this person, and the third one is called you will get the $250 that will be sent to you. All right, now let's talk about more details way on this. So what you have to do, so not just do hackathon is like starting from 1st of April to 30th of April. You can build apps. So let's talk about this. So what you have to do, you have to build and launch your app in 30 days. It could be using React Native, like it could be any technology, but it should be published on the Apple Store or the Play Store, Google Play Store. Okay, so you can use vibe coding as well, like participant can leverage AI tools like GitHub Copilot, Cursor, and more to boost their productivity and accelerate their development. So in this 30 days challenge, you have to build and launch your app in 30 days on your app store. After that, you have to learn and grow. Like if you're building something in 30 days, so I'm pretty sure you're gonna learn a lot of things, and you have to gain a hands-on experience with AI powered development through a daily live stream and building real world apps. So you can also check out this channel. This is the person which is like introduced this hackathon, not just you. So you can look into this course, and they had very a details video on this. So make sure to watch. Like if you wanted to watch, you can also watch it this tutorial, but let me explain you for more details. And also, by the way, also I'm also participating in this hackathon to build something cool and really crazy stuff in these 30 days. So what you have to do, you have to build, launch, learn and grow, and you're gonna win big prizes like MacBook Air M4, premium courses and card rewards. Okay, now how to participate in the hackathon? Now a lot of people ask me this question like, bro, how we can participate in this hackathon? First, register for the hackathon. Okay, and once you do the register, you will set up and start building. Okay, so you have to like finalize the project idea, development stack, and start building your apps. You can use AI tools like GitHub Copilot, Cursor, or others to speed up your workflow. And the next one of the most things is that you have to publish and submit your app before the 13th of April. So your app must be successfully published on the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, any one of them, but it should be published on any app store. Okay, like it should be published on the Google Play Store or it should be App Store, and submitted on not just a hack website. Okay, this is a website where you have to submit your projects on before the 30th of April, and get familiar with the App Store submission guideline to avoid delays. And also you have to get the knowledge like how we submit the app on App Store or Play Store, so your app doesn't get uh, you know basically removed from the Play Store or something like that. Like it should be get easily deployed there. So submission guideline. After that, once we done with this, like you will submit your project on 30th of April. The community will judge and give the vote from 1st of May to 14th of May. So this is a like on 14 days, people will like the judge will be judging your apps and giving you best ideas, like basically the committee votes for the best apps and they will judge your projects. Okay, and in 14 days, and on the 16th of May, the winner will be get the announcement on live stream, where we have us where they will get the opportunity to showcase their project. And now you can register now on this project. Now let's talk about the judging criteria. They have mentioned some points. The first is that non-negotiable. Like once you publish your app, like once you start building your apps, you register on this hackathon, you start building on your app from 1st of April to 30th April. So, and now in the first of May to 14th of May, the app you're gonna be judged by the some people. So let's talk about that. The first, that non-negotiable eligibility check, like your app gonna be judged or not. So that is going to check on this criteria. So first thing is that, does your app published or like uh, does your app publish on Apple Store or Google Play Store or not. If not, so you can't be judged in next version, like you can't be go to the next phase. And if your first version launched during this hackathon period, so your app should be built and launched in this 30 days period. Okay, so it is also like that. So your app should be start building from 1st April to 30th of April. An app that do not meet this criteria will not proceed to judging. Okay, now the next thing is that innovation. So once you like this non-eligibility check has been done, basically your app is published on the Play Store or App Store, and your app has been built and launched during the 1st of April to 30th of April. The next thing is that they will gonna check that innovation, business viability, functionality and complexity, and user experience in design. What does innovation means? Basically, does your app, is it unique or not? Is it solving any real world problems or not? It is creative or not? Okay, and also if you have any integrated AI integration, so you will get a good rating on that as well, like good score on for using that. So the more original, so if you have any idea which is like original and impactful idea, the higher you will get the innovation score. Okay, so there's like you will get the innovation score, business viability score, there's all the scores will you will get, and after that they will make a calculation, they will make a sum of them. Okay, so first is that like is it unique, is it solving a real world problems, and you have integrated the AI or not. Now the next thing is that business viability. What does business viability means? Like who is your target audience? Okay, is it clear or not? Okay, so you build some apps but it is not sure like who is the target audience. So make sure the app idea which you build, like it should be a targeting, it should be clear to the audience, like these are the my audience. After that, is it market fit or not? Okay, what is market fit? Like basically it's like solving any problems, providing a solution to the people or not. Is there in demand for this solution or not? Growth potential. What does mean growth potential? Could it gain users or generate revenue in future or not? Okay, and great app is just not functional, it's also valuable in the real world. So if you build something app, like the UI UX experience is really great but it doesn't have any value in the real world, so you will not get good score. So make sure the app which you're building, it has a value in real world. Okay, not today but it could be tomorrow. Okay, that's a one, like you will get the score in business viability. And the next thing is that functionality and complexity. Does your app really a complex functionality or not? Like basically the first thing is that does it work, or the core feature fully functional or not. The next thing is that technical depth, does it go beyond the basics or not. Okay, AI bonus, if AI was used, did it improve performance or automation or not. A polished feature rich app earns a IA score. Okay, so if it has a rich app, like basically rich app means it has a good functionality, good feature, so there will be high probability that it will get a good score on the functionality and complexity judging criteria. And the next thing is that user experience in design. What does mean? Like does your app easy to use or not? Like is the app intuitive and smooth? It is visual appealing or not? Does it have a clean consistent design or not? And the next thing is that performance, does it run well without lags or not. Okay, the first thing is that it is easy to use, visual appealing and performance. Okay, and good design keeps user coming back. So these are the things judging criteria. The first thing is that like your app should be published on the App Store or Play Store in the from the in between of 1st April to 30th April, and your app should be built on in that between of that. Once that will follow, they will start looking into innovation, business viability, functionality and complexity, and user experience and design. Now you can also use this resource, like you can use his channel or my channel, not just your GDD Coder channel, and you can learn the React Native from there as well. You can join the community as well, they have a Discord server. By click on this you can join this. I will also provide this hackathon link, so you guys can click on this and you can participate on this. Now last year they had also introduced this hackathon. Some people has been win, like basically in March, I think in Feb or March they had introduced this hackathon. So you can like listen to some people's as well, they have built a really cool apps. Okay, so you can like some people are telling that like this pushed me for out of my comfort zone and then to my limits. Okay, Now this is the second edition in 25. Basically, they had already one hackathon in I think Jan or December. Now this hackathon in happen April, and the third hackathon is gonna happen in October. Okay, two chances to build and launch and complete in 2025. Pick the edition that fits your schedule. So this is a hackathon, like we gonna participate in April. And now the next like people will ask you some FAQs, like frequently asked questions. So let's talk about that. Now the next question is coming up, like who can participate in this hackathon. So notjust.dev is a hack for mobile developers. So if you're mobile developers, this is a hackathon for you, and you gonna build something impactful. Individuals looking into validate their next idea. Like if you wanted to validate then your next idea, like this is gonna really work or not, then you can try this. And React Native, if you are someone who is learning React Native, so you can also look into that or enroll into the course. And you can use Expo, React Native CLI. That's totally up to you. And this is goes for like if someone is beginner, experienced developer, but if you're excited to build and launch something real, you are welcome to join. You can join this hackathon. Now the next thing is that can I work in a team or solo or any solo. You can participate in this hackathon as a solo, as well as you can join with a team of up to 3 people. Okay, and there are no special advantage or disadvantage of solo participant. Just build something great, that's it. Now how much does it cost to join? Notjust.dev hack is completely free to participate. Okay, and so it's like completely free. Should I use a specific technology, React Native? No, you don't have to. You don't require any. You don't require you to use any specific technology. Use the one of the know you best. So you can use React Native, Expo, Flutter, Kotlin, whatever the technology you know, you can use that. But make sure it's a mobile app. Can I use AI tools like Copilot, ChatGPT to build my app? Yes, you can use any tools. Like it could be like while AI tools are not mandatory, you are encouraged to use tools like GitHub Copilot, Cursor, ChatGPT to speed up your development and improve efficiency. You will not judge based on the AI uses, but it can help you code faster and learn new techniques. All right, now the next thing is that do I need to submit my project by deadline? Yes, the hackathon runs for 1 month, and you will need to submit your final project before 13 April to eligible for prizes. What if my apps get rejected from the app store or play store? Your app must be live on at least one store. Okay, so you make sure like your app should be live on any at least one store, Apple or Google Play Store, before the submission deadline. If your app gets rejected, fix the issue and resubmit as soon as possible to meet the deadline. We recommend submitting at least 1 week before 30 April to allow time for approval. What if I don't finish my project? No worries. The goal is learn, build, and improve your skills. Even if you don't build complete app, you will still gain an experience, make connection, and have a project continue after the hackathon. How does voting work? Once submission close on 13 April, voting will be open from like once you submit your project on 30 April, the voting will be open from 1st of May to 14th of May. Okay, and how does voting gonna work? The first community voting, the participant and the public can vote for their favorite apps. Okay, and after that judging panel, our team will evaluate app based on innovation, business viability, and functionality and user experience. The final ranking will be combination of both votes and judge score. When and where will be the winner announced? Winner will be announced on the 16th May during the Not Just Hack demo live stream. The live stream will take place on YouTube channel where the top project will be showcased. Finalists will have the opportunity to present their apps, share their experience, and get feedback from the judges. Okay, now you can register on this hackathon. Now let's talk about another thing, that past submission. So I think last year there was some participant has participated in this hackathon, and they had built some really great apps. Like these are the submissions were done by the people. Though let's talk about the other apps. This is the first app which was like ranked on the number one, second, third, fourth, and after that there's are the third winner, like third rank, and there's are the submission of the apps. Okay, now the first thing, like this is the first app, basically kill a fee. it in Estonia we have a problem. Many people do not speak Estonian language, and it's pretty hard to learn. There is no Estonian in Duolingo or any popular app. So I decided to create my own app. Okay, so they had built this app Skillfy, and this you can see that if you click on Get in Play Google Play, so you can look into that as well. Like this is the this is the app which they had built in the Jan. And yeah, after that as well, like you can look at that how a user explain target audience, non-Estonian speak population, reviews, people who wants to immigrate to Estonia. My app helps to people integrate the society and find jobs, stay in the country. So this is the like innovation of that person. Okay, and I would say like this is another app subquest discover the rediscover or city like before. With our app every situation become unique and adventure, something like this. You can see the screenshot as well here. This is like really looking good. Target audience, problem statement. And if you click on this download on the app store, so you guys can also look into this yeah, concepts of original application is list, something like this. And they had built this app, really good one. Okay, now the next thing is that subquest. This is the second winner, and third winner is called skill kit. And let's check it out. This one, skill kit, means skill libraries. So something gamified, viewed, which is really looking good. I think the UIs are really awesome looking. And this is the last year like people has participated on this hackathon. And yeah, I think it's really good. Like the UI and everything is really good. And apart from that, you can like just look into like last year what they had built. Like they have wedding planner app. Download the app, and let me click cancel. And yeah, this is looking good. You can like budget overview, timeline overview, guest, vendor to manage the stuff. And some other like protein tracker AI. uh, you can see that like this is a protein tracker app. They have built some apps. And also, so yeah, this is all the like last year submission which you can check it out. Also, I've been also participating in this hackathon. So let's see if I'm gonna get any rank or not. I'm also building some AI related apps. And let me know guys what kind of apps you are trying to build. Let me know in the comment section. Also, like if you're looking for a teammates for this hackathon, so you can join this Discord channel. Here you will find a Discord as well. And there you can find out some one channel, and there you can connect with people and reach out for the creating teammates. And apart from that, you can also join my WhatsApp community and ask the people to join this as a participant as a team. But this is like really good things in a 30 days to build and release on the App Store and Play Store. And you can validate your idea exactly like it is really working or not. So that's the one thing I can say to you. Apart from that, yeah, you can get some, you can look into the past submission, and you will get a good pretty idea about this as well, like Bodigo and something like this. And yeah, I think all uh, that's all I think. And let me know on the comment section what guys what you're trying to build. And also please visit GitHub if you're just started learning React Native. Here we have some courses, and you guys can look into that course and like build some cool apps as well. So yeah, you can learn the React Native, and let me know what you're trying to build on this hackathon. And yeah, that's all in this video guys. Thank you. Bye. Let me know if you have any questions.